of the Psychic Knife, this one really looks better. Also, the head sculpts improve really well. Please don't get angry at me, but I really don't like the old Psylocke head sculpt. She doesn't look like Psylocke at all. The Uncanny X-Men 275 Team Uniform Psylocke looks a lot better. She looks like Psylocke, the skin color looks like Psylocke. I'm surprised why Hasbro did not just reuse this head and give her a different hair. Hope you can see now clearly that this is the appropriate head for Psylocke. She looks like Psylocke. This new head, she resembles Psylocke but not the comic book type one or the game one. This one does. Doing another head swap using the hair swept to one side on the team uniform body.